Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have a minus 2 divided by a is equals to a, and we solve this problem for all the values of a. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. So further we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. Here you see that this a is divided by left hand side, and when we move it into the right hand side, it is multiplied by this a, and it will be written as a minus 2 is equals to a multiplied by a becomes here a square. And further in the next step we move the terms from left hand side to the right hand side. This is a minus 2. When we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes here, this is positive a. When we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes negative a. This is negative 2 becomes positive 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see here this equation will becomes in quadratic form and in standard quadratic equation. So we know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So here we use a quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. So for this, first we need to write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are capital A is equals to 1, capital B is equals to minus 1, and capital C is equals to plus 2. And here we state the quadratic formula as small a is equals to minus capital A plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of AC divided by 2 times of a. So this is our quadratic formula, and here we substitute all the values of a, b, and c. So after substituting all the values, it will be written as a is equals to, this is minus b, the value of b is minus 1 plus minus square root of b square. So b is minus 1 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 2, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a is equals to 1. And now further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this is minus times minus becomes plus 1, and plus minus square root of minus 1 square becomes plus 1, and minus 4 times 2 becomes 8, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And now here in the next step we need little bit more simplifications, and it will be written as a is equals to 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 8 becomes minus 7 square root, and it is divided by 2. So here we apply the square root separately on negative term and 7, and it will be written as 1 plus minus square root of 7 into square root of minus 1, and it is divided by 2. So further in the next step we have our a is equals to, this is 1 plus minus square root of 7 into, this is square root of minus 1 becomes iota, and it is divided by 2. So this is the value of a which we get here in the first method. So these are the two complex values of a, or complex roots of the given equation. So now here we again solve this problem from second method. So for the second method we need to copy down given question statement here, so that our given question statement is a minus 2 divided by a is equals to a. This is the our given question statement, and here I can just give you a second method or second technique in which how you can get the simplified form of this equation. Okay, so here in the second method we need to break this fraction, and we can apply this a separately on both of these two values, and it will becomes a divided by a minus 2 divided by a is equals to a. And now here in the next step you see here this a and this a are cancelled out by each other, and we obtain here 1 minus, this is 2 divided by a is equals to a. So further in the next step here we need to move this minus 2 over a to the right hand side, and it will be written as a is equals to a plus 2 over a. So here we need to take the LCM in the right hand side, and here we take its LCM, and its LCM becomes here a. So this is a multiplied by a becomes a square, plus this a and a are gone, and we obtain here 2 only. And now here further in the next step, we need to simplify the terms, and we multiply a with 1, and a times of 1 equals to a square plus 2. And in the next step here, we need to rearrange the terms, and we move this a to the right hand side, and it will be written as a square minus a plus 2 is equals to 0. This is positive a. When we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes negative a. So this is the quadratic equation in the standard form. So here in the first method, we already solved this quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. In order to solve this quadratic equation, you can just see the method number 1. You can see all the steps which I can do in the method number 1. Okay, so after seeing or after applying the quadratic formula, we will get the values of a is equals to 1 plus minus square root of 7 iota, and it is divided by 2. So this is the our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.